Hi authors. As you likely already know, getting readers to look at your book is the best way to drive sales and downloads. A great way to accomplish this is to make your book free and promote it through Freeboksy. My name is Kelsey Worsham and I'm the Freeboksy brand manager here at Written Word Media. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to have the best promotion possible with Freeboksy. Let's go ahead and get started. The first step of your promotional process will be to select your promotional date. Go ahead and pick your feature genre from the grid that's shown. Your book will only be sent to the readers who have told us that they enjoy your book genre. You can see the number of readers who have signed up to receive each genre in the list size column. The third step in this process is to go to the next page and then select a date from those that are available. Your second step in this process will be to enter your book's information. When you go to the next page, be sure to fill out the form with your book's information and hit submit. Your purchase will then be added to your shopping cart. Please note that you will not see this information again, so you really want to make sure that your information is correct before you hit submit. Next, you'll need to navigate to your cart when you're ready to check out. Make sure you go ahead and pay to officially reserve your book's promotion through PayPal or by using a credit card. For the third step in this process, you'll need to check your email for confirmation. You will receive a confirmation email as soon as your payment clears, which is typically within 24 hours. If you believe that you've purchased a feature and do not receive a confirmation within 24 hours, please email us at info@freeboksy.com. Step 4. Before we go, make sure that your book's set to free. If you're enrolled in KDP Select, follow the steps listed below. If you're not enrolled in KDP Select, then you need to rely on Amazon to price match your book. You can learn more about price matching at Written Word Media's website. So there you have it, authors. Now you know the best way to run a Freeboksy promotion and how to set up a free price promotion to ensure that your book is free for your chosen date. Do you have any questions or concerns? Feel free to reach out to us at info@freeboksy.com and we'll be happy to get back to you. Happy writing!